Walang balanse dahil puro ka disiplina, wala namang direction. Panahon ngayon, ano ang pinakamabisang paraan para magturo ng disiplina sa mga bata? The first answer that I'd like to give is, let us not separate discipline and direction. Discipline without direction is dangerous. What is this discipline? Follow the rules and regulation at home. Dapat may sundin mga alituntunin ang mga anak natin at sundin ang patakaran ng mga parents sa bahay. That is discipline. And to me, discipline also is our ability, the ability of our children to live with others. Itong others include their brothers and sisters and their parents, pati na yung katulong kung may katulong. Ano naman itong direction? Direction is moral principles. Now, dinisiplina mo yung anak mo, pero wala namang grounding, wala namang foundation sa what is right, which is ethical values or moral principles. Hanging, groundless and unfounded. To build a house without the foundation is dangerous. Now, walang balanse dahil puro ka disiplina, wala namang direction. To run or fly without a balance is also dangerous.